all of them?
I want to eat all of them, but I want to eat one then. Which I want to eat? I want to eat strawberry. That was open. Yeah, sure. What would you do?
Oh, what about this one? Shazay? I really like this.
Let's do it another way.
No, we have to do it now, Shazay. Okay, then open it now. And I should wow, it looks so yummy, guys. Yummy, you want to eat it?
Let's eat it, guys.
Okay, here.
Guys, stop a channel, please. Stop the channel. I want to tell you something.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Now I tell.
Today you have to finish it.
Okay.
What are all the M&Ms?
No, I want to tell you.
What?
Your vlog is so nice, but our vlog is super great for us, and our vlog is right to our channel.
Okay, now pick up the M&Ms. Can you open it?
Yes.
I want to eat these guys. It's really yummy. You see, there are two layers, and as you can see, this is kind of orange, and this is kind of pink. So I really like it.
Wow!
Wow, guys, it's so. Oh my gosh, it's so excited. Really excited?
Yeah!
You eat all of it?
Yeah, let's eat it.
Okay. Guys, should we start? Let's see what
Guys, this is my phone.
Lizzie, you're so funny. Just, you know what? Just eat it.
Let's
Just eat it. Right, God. I just dropped all of it. Just take those updates on you, so funny. Where's the cat? By the way, guys, I really love the cat because look, as you can see, is this Shazay? Okay, I just wanted to eat some, so I'm going to. Wait, Shazay. Why are you dancing like a monkey? Where's your monkey, by the way? Dance with your monkey. Dance with your monkey. Does they dance with your monkey? Does they dance with your monkey? Kidding me?
We are not going to eat it.
Open your mouth, I think. Yeah. Children, please don't eat all of them. And your teeth is going to break. Show me your teeth. That's Shakespeare dancing.